Now, let's take a look at the interface of SAP 2000, which provides a comprehensive set of tools and options for efficient structural modeling, analysis and design. The top menu bar contains all the commands and options available in SAP 2000, organized into categories such as File, Edit, View, Define, Draw, Select, Assign, Analyze, Display, and Design. These menus provide access to a wide range of functionalities. In addition to the menus, many commonly used commands can be accessed quickly through single-click buttons located in the regions surrounding the drawing areas. This allows for streamlined workflow and easy access to frequently used tools. In the lower right corner, you can see the current unit selection, which allows you to work with the desired unit system. And in the lower left corner, you can view the elements included in a specific selection, providing a clear overview of the selected elements. This layout provides a user-friendly and intuitive workspace, allowing engineers to navigate through the program seamlessly and efficiently. Now let's explore the various menus available in SAP 2000, each serving specific functions to enhance your modeling and analysis experience. Starting with the File menu, it allows you to import and export files, generate calculation reports, and perform other file-related operations. In the Edit menu, you'll find commands for moving, replicating, and extruding elements, as well as operations related to dividing finite elements. The View menu provides options for 2D and 3D views of your model, including grid lines to aid in visualization. The Define menu is where you'll define various properties of your model, such as materials, sections, load cases, and more. It's important to note that this menu focuses on defining properties, while the application of these properties to model elements is done through the Assign menu. The Draw menu houses operations for drawing and modeling elements. You can also access these commands through the side and top toolbars, as shown in the image. The Select menu offers operations for selecting objects based on specific criteria. For example, you can select all objects at a certain elevation. The Assign menu handles the assignment of properties and loads to the model. It's divided into two sections. The first is for assigning physical properties to modeled objects, while the second section is for assigning loads. In the Analyze menu, you can edit analysis parameters, such as the number of degrees of freedom for nodes, and access analysis messages, among other functionalities. The Display menu, which is particularly useful during the verification and validation of your structure. This menu allows you to visualize various aspects of your model, including loads, assigned properties, as well as forces and displacements. The Design menu is dedicated to the Design module of SAP 2000, allowing you to perform structural design.